Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon to you. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon to you. So, my dears, we will start our class, but before that we will do prayer. What we will do? Prayer. So, my dears, little children, join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes and repeat after me. Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhuvasvaha Tassavidulvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Niyo Yona Prachodayam. Once again. Om Bhuvasvaha Tassavidulvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Niyo Yona Prachodayam. Once again. Om Bhuvasvaha Tassavidulvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Niyo Yona Prachodayam. Open your eyes and your hands down. So, my dear, how are you? My sweet little children, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Fine or not? Yes. So, I am back again. My dears, tell me, what is my name? I think you remember now. Yes, Jyoti Panjre, and I am your teacher. Who I am? I am your teacher. So, my dears, in which class you are? Nursery. And what is the name of your school? The name of my school is Gokul Das Public School. Very good. So, before starting our class, let's have some fun. What? Let's have some fun. What fun we will do today? Today we will twist a body. Yes, okay. Twist. Do twist, stand up all of you, and do twist all of you. Do like me. Twist your body. Yes. Twist it. Yes. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yes, twist all of you. Do twist all of you. Up, down, up, down. Very good. Clap. Clap for yourself. Very good. Clap for yourself. Now, run, run, run all of you. Run, run. Very good. Now, stop, stop, stop. Very good. Now, fly, fly, fly all of you. Very good. Fly, fly. Very good. Fly. Good, my dear. Stop. Now, shake your hands. Shake your hands, all of you. Shake your hands. Very good. Up, left, right, right, left, right, left. Shake your hands. Very good. Clap. Clap. Very good. Now jump. Jump on the jump. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Now stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Very good. Yes, my dear. Look here. Now we will start our class. Take a breath. Very good. Today we will learn a new rhyme. We will learn a new rhyme. You know which season is going on now? Rain season. Rain has come. But you can't able to go and play outside now. So today we will learn the rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Rain, Rain, Go Away. The name of the rhyme is Rain, Rain, Go Away. You like to play? You like to play in the rain? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So let us start the rhyme Rain, Rain, Go Away. But you have to do with me with action. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Again you will say with me. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Say all of you. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Right? Again, let us start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Now you repeat after me. Rain, rain, rain. Say all of you. Rain, rain, go away. Say all of you. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Little Johnny wants to play. Do you like the rhyme? Do you enjoy the rhyme? Again we will say. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Say all of you. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Very good. Clap all of you. Good, good, good. Very good. Now all of you sit down and fold your hands. What you will do? You will sit down and fold your hands. We have learned from starting of from first day of class. We are learning some conversations, some sentence. So we will first revise all these sentences. Then we have some activity to do, and after that we will do lots of fun. So ready, all of you? Fold your hands and look at me and look at me. Ready? So start. The first sentence we have learned. I am a boy or girl. If I am a boy, I will say boy. If I am a girl, I will say girl. I am a boy After that, what is your school name? My school name is, you can say, the name of my school is Gokuldas Public School. The name of my school is Gokuldas Public School, or you can say my school name is Gokuldas Public School. How old are you? In previous video we have learned how old are you? I am 3 years old. I am 3 years old. Very good. Today we will learn in which class do you study? In which class do you study? So how you will say? How you will say? In which class you are studying? So you will say, I studying in class nursery. I am, you will say, I am studying in class nursery. Now repeat after me. In which class do you study? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो? आप कौन सी क्लास में पढ़ते हो? तो आप कैसा बोलोगे? I am, repeat after me. I am studying in class nursery. I am studying in class nursery. I am studying in class nursery. आप कौन सी क्लास में हो अभी? आप नर्सरी क्लास में हो. कौन सी क्लास में हो आप? नर्सरी क्लास में. वेरी गुड. आप तो बहुत जल्दी सीख गए हो. You have learned very fast. Good. Keep it up. So, let us revise once again. In which class do you study? In which class do you study? So, how you will say? I am studying in class nursery. I am studying in class nursery. You are in nursery. You are in nursery. You are studying in nursery. You are studying in nursery. So make videos of your this, and today we will do one activity. What we will do? Activity. So parents, please help the children. Take a blank paper and write N-U-R. N-U-R. So that the children will do some activity. So ready all of you, my dears, to do activity? Let us do the activity. So start doing activity. What you have to do? You have to, in a blank paper, you have to write the nursery. You have to write the nursery. So I have written N-U-R, short form of nursery. I have written short form of nursery. After that, you have to take a newspaper. What? You have to take a newspaper and tell your children to tear it. And tell your children to tear the a newspaper and tell the children to tear it like this. Tell them to tear the paper and make the small pieces of the paper. Tell the children to tear the paper and make small pieces of the paper. Yes, tell the children to tear the newspaper like this. Or children, you have to tear the paper, small papers, pieces of this paper, tear like this. Yes, you have to tear the papers like this. If you can take a color paper also, you can take the color paper also and tear it in a small pieces. Then take a gum of Fevicol, put in the letter like this. Now, what you will do? Take the pieces of paper and paste on in the letter N. And paste in the letter N. You can use colorful paper also. Small pieces of this. Tell the children to tear the paper into small pieces and paste it in the letter N. And paste it in the letter N like this. Paste the papers. Tell the children to paste the newspaper or a color paper in the letter N. Right? Again, here also we have to paste the paper. Tear and paste it. Tear and paste it small pieces of the paper. And parents, please tell the children to do activity in front of you and make the videos also. Like this you have to do. Paste it, newspaper, letter N, small pieces of newspaper in letter N. Right? That are children studying in nursery class. Which class? Nursery class. In which class do you study? I study in nursery class. Look here. After N, which letter is there? U. Paste it in the letter U. Tell the children to tear the paper. They will enjoy to tear the paper. They will enjoy to tear the paper and paste it in the letter U. And paste it in letter U. Like this. Right? Letter U. In which class do you study? I am studying in class nursery. I am studying in class nursery. In which class you are studying? I am studying in class nursery. Children will enjoy this and the exercise of their hand will also done. So ask the children to tear the paper and stick on the letter U. The letter U. Now it's turn for letter R. Now it's turn for letter R. Yes, R for, do you know R for? Rose. Look here, I am tearing the paper, newspaper and sticking it in the letter R. Look here, I am pasting in letter R. Look here, look here. Letter R. Take small pieces, not so big pieces, and paste it in letter R. Look here, it's letter R. Some small pieces and paste it in the letter R. Like this. Done? Done? We have pasted the letter R. So this activity you have to do. Parents, please help your children to do this activity in front of you. In front of you. So my dears, my sweet little children, now I am winding up my class. Have a nice day. Look after yourself and send me your videos of this activity. Bye. Have a nice day.